Hi everyone. Just want to do my little walk along this path because I've never been down here before. Oh my goodness. What is that? What is that? That's amazing, whatever that is. It's like, it's concrete, so it's not part of the mines. There's a stream down there as well. What is? I think it's about 5 meters across. Weird. Never know what you're going to find on the moor. But anyway, look at this damage. If it wasn't for Ian, I wouldn't have come down here. I wouldn't have come this far. You can see why the flame...